Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the interrupted files so you can remove them safely. Open your download and temp folders, then sort by date or size to find partial, part, or TMP entries. Once found, verify by checking timestamps and file size. 0 bytes or much smaller size indicates interruption. Make sure to pause any sync services and close programs that may lock the file. Doing this prevents conflicts when you try to delete and avoids data corruption or orphaned temp entries. You now force removal when a file is locked or stubborn. First, try a normal delete. If that fails, use Shift+Delete to skip the recycle bin and free space immediately. If the OS reports the file is in use, open Task Manager or Activity Monitor and identify the locking process. End it, but be careful not to stop critical system services. Once unlocked, use the command line rm or del as admin or root for stubborn entries. This ensures deeper removal without residual temp fragments. You finish by confirming the interrupted files are gone and the system is clean. Empty the recycle bin or trash, then run disk cleanup or a storage analyzer to remove leftover fragments and free space. Once done, restart the machine to ensure no locks persist. Make sure to resume any paused sync services. If deletion still fails, boot into safe mode or use a cleanup or recovery utility to remove stubborn items. Tip: if things go wrong, safe mode often unlocks files for deletion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.